In modern warfare, unmanned aerial vehicles (UAVs) are evolving rapidly. One of the most unexpected developments in drone technology has come from the Russian military, which has started modifying its Molniya-2 drones by adding thermobaric warheads. This move, although not purely technological innovation, leverages existing military systems in new, unexpected ways, highlighting the growing flexibility and danger of these drones. The Molniya-2 is a relatively simple yet effective device, originally designed to be cheap and accessible. However, the Russian military has demonstrated its ability to adapt the drone to new tasks by equipping it with more destructive weapons. For example, thermobaric warheads, previously used in the RPO-A Shmel rocket-propelled grenade launcher, have been installed on the Molniya-2 in ad hoc modifications. Thermobaric munitions are known for causing devastating damage not only due to the blast wave but also because of the extremely high temperature, which affects a large area. When combined with the ability to control the direction of the attack using drones, this weapon becomes especially dangerous to the enemy. While thermobaric rockets were previously used in contexts with limited access to high-tech weapons, their use in drone systems opens up new tactical possibilities. It is still unclear how widespread this modification is, but the fact that Molniya-2 drones have already been equipped with thermobaric warheads several times confirms the significance of this move. This decision also highlights the minimal production costs and the potential for mass production of such drones. The simple design and readily available materials allow for their rapid deployment. For example, in addition to thermobaric warheads, Russian forces have started outfitting the Molniya-2 with various other improvised munitions, such as anti-tank mines or grenades from RPG-7s. Interestingly, the Molniya-2 is often called the Kalashnikov of drones, emphasizing its versatility and effectiveness at a low cost. Despite its limited payload capacity of 5 kilograms, this does not prevent the drone from carrying a wide range of munitions. Models like the Privet 82 are also used in resource-limited environments, and despite their simplicity, they can have a significant impact on the battlefield. The Russian military continues to rely heavily on more complex and expensive systems, such as the Lancet loitering munition, but the use of simpler, more accessible solutions like the Molniya-2 raises questions about the future of mass drone production with thermobaric warheads. This not only expands the possibilities for low-tech yet effective technologies on the battlefield but also challenges traditional approaches to military equipment. In the context of hybrid warfare, where cost and production speed are key factors, these innovations represent a breakthrough that could change the rules of the game.